Guys, these are the chips that we're going to try today. And stick over here. Ding dong, then chicken, Mr. Chips. So let's see what we got here, guys, in the box. Oh, chicharron.
Chicharron ni
Manhuan is very popular, right?
Yes.
Especially when we do like drinking alcohols like that. Yeah, it's usually where that's our what we call that? Pulutan in Filipino, guys. So let's give it a try here. Me first. It's kind of crunchy, you know? What do you think? What can you tell?
It's tasty, it's crunchy, and especially it's sour.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laura, and today I'm joined by my sister Mary.
Hi everybody.
So today guys, we're going to sample popular Filipino snacks, which is here in the box. We're gonna pick it up randomly, and then we will give our honest opinion. So let's see what we got here, guys, in the box. Oh my god, it's Manhuan chicharron. This is very popular, right?
Yes.
Especially when you're having karaoke and then you're drinking alcohol. You're gonna have this as a pulutan, guys. So we're gonna give it a try. Okay. What do you think?
For me, it's tasty and crunchy, and especially the flavor is more sour because it's made from vinegar.
Yeah, it has some vinegar there, so it's kind of salty also. So let's see what's next here. Oh, it's an oishi prawn crackers, spicy flavor. So this is very known way back before when I was in elementary, guys. So right now we're gonna give it a try. So this is kind of spicy, you know. There are different variety of this, but what we get now is the spicy one. So let's give it a try. Smells like prawn. Crispy and salty, of course. What can you
It's kind
say?
of sour a little bit and crunchy and tasty also.
Tasty and also salty. So let me try another one here. This is scallop cheese wafer. So this is known like wafer, no?
Oh, wafer.
Wafer for the kids.
For the snacks of the kids for going to school.
Yeah, let's try it out. So here.
There's also the other one is flavor is chocolate.
Yeah, there's another
That is
variety.
with cheese.
We're just like chocolate and vanilla.
I love it.
No,
It's
fun.
cheesy, tasty, and crunchy.
And salty also. Always salty.
I love cheese.
So let's see what we got here, guys. Oh my god.
Wow!
This is my all-time favorite Nova. So the flavor for this is cheddar, which the one I like. And then there are different variety of Nova here. Like there are barbecue and sour cream and vegetable cream. Anyways, Nova is similar to the US. They call it like sun chips. So
Yeah.
this is similar to sun chips in the US. So let's give it a try, guys. So here, it's kind of crispy. My all-time favorite. It's kind of salty. Very crispy then. Also cheesy. Do you like?
It's cheesy and crunchy and tasty.
Okay. Moving on from the chips, guys, let's try a cake here. Oh, let's try the Pajivar flavor combo. So, in this pack there are 5 flavors. So let's give it a try. The chocolate one first. So this one is similar to the zingers in the US. So this one is kind of like a cake and it's very fluffy. This is the fillings. Then let's try another one here. Let's try the milk custard. I haven't tried this one, honestly. You had tried this one? The custard?
Not really.
Okay. I usually buy this one. How's the taste?
The first one I taste, all of this has same texture but different flavor. It's smooth, puffy, and tasty.
Yeah, this is good when some of the Filipinos use this one as like a birthday cake, especially the chocolate one. Yeah, they kind of decorate like a birthday cake. We'll try another one. We call it
Durian.
Durian.
It's kind of
This is new to this product, no? Durian. Before they call it buko pandan, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, let's give it a try, durian. Okay.
the smells.
So for those of you who did not know that durian is very stinky, not really literally stinky, but this durian flavor of this is not really smell bad. You
But it tastes
smell
good.
this one. That's the durian burn. How's the taste?
Pretty tastes
For
good,
your
but
information, guys, I'm not
Not
a
very
durian
tasty.
lover. I don't really like it. So I eat durian like a candy. Yeah, that's it. But the fruit, I don't really eat the fruit. So let's try this one, the vanilla flavor. Smells good. This is my first time try this one.
me too.
Honestly, and also the durian. I usually try the chocolate because I'm a chocolate lover. Fine. I cannot. It's very oily.
Yeah,
The cake is very oily.
it's like similar for me. It's similar for chocolate pajibar, but soft, obviously, and tasty. Very good.
Stick. So for
Durian,
stick,
no.
this is similar to stick, alright? So we get
It's actually a stick O,
this is
but the brand name is,
yeah, this is a stick oh but the brand.
especially the kids will love this.
This flavor is chocolate.
Yeah,
We have
chocolate.
different flavor for this like we have vanilla, no?
Vanilla,
No.
OB, strawberry.
Yeah, different kinds of flavor. When I was a kid, guys, we used to use like that, like a tobacco or a cigarette. Yeah, we play like that.
For me, my opinion is super crunchy. You eat this, and it's filled with chocolate in the center.
These are chocolate inside, guys, where the brown one is.
Sweet,
Yeah, of course it's sweet.
sweet, no salt.
But not too sweet.
Honestly, this box is full, but I keep eating.
Or how many pieces inside the box?
In this box, it's kind of like, I don't know, maybe less than 50 pieces. Then there's a twin in one box, just like this. So let's move on to another item, guys. Oh, ding dong. So this is my favorite, especially having conversation with our friends or family members, you know. So but this one, guys, is the regular ding dong. It is not flavored, so we're gonna give it a try. This one is mixed with nuts and then corn necks,
Green
green
peas,
peas, and some other nuts. So let's give it a try. So this is what it looks like inside.
Didn't see it. Didn't see it.
What do you think?
It tastes good and crunchy and salty. Yeah, I like this.
This is my favorite, guys. Aside from Nova, this is my second favorite when it turns to, we call this stuff like junk food. We call it chicheria in Cebuana. Okay. Moving on, let's try another snacks here. Oh, this is what we call cinnamon.
From Titans.
So this one is, we call in Bisaya like bao-bao because it looks like a turtle. At the back there's like a husk at the back, like a shell of the turtle. So
I think it's made. It's
it looks
filled
like
with coconut.
Yeah, the fillings of this is coconut. So let's give it a try here. Yeah, like this, the shell, it shapes like a turtle. So that's why we call it bao-bao, because turtle in Bisaya is bao. So this is yours. So, yeah. It smells like coconut,
It's
right?
too hard.
Yeah, this one is very hard, guys. It's not advisable to the elders, especially with no tip.
For sure, the adults will not eat this. It's too hard. And you have complete teeth. You can eat this. Just kidding.
I'll try to break what's inside.
Dip it in coffee.
Like bukayo.
Dip it.
Yeah, this one is the filling. This is the coconut. So this one is good in coffee. Like you dip this one in coffee. But you need to be careful because when you pour out this, if you don't have skin,
The coconut is made up from, that's why it makes sweet.
yeah, it's kind of sweet. Huh?
That's in the middle.
It's chocolate.
But this one is no taste. Only this, the middle.
So, yeah, we're done with sweets, so we're gonna try another chips, guys. So, let's give it a try for this one. This is my first time trying this one. So, it's a vegetarian quiz snacks. So, good source of fiber and high.
It's also from Oishi.
So, let's give it a try.
It looks like a potato fries.
It looks like a fries. Mm. It's like that.
Tastes like vegetable flavor. Just added more coloring in the food.
What's good in this snack is it has no added MSG, which is very common in the Filipino dishes, and high in iron and bake, not fried them. No artificial flavor and source of fiber then 55% green peas. So this one is, yeah, it's kind of like
Almost healthy.
almost healthy because this is vegetarian. Yeah. Well, next time I'm gonna buy again this one, guys. So it's okay.
It's okay. It's my first time.
We're done with the chips, guys. So let's proceed to the cheese squeeze. Cheese squeeze, and then the flavor is pimento. So this, but
Pimento.
not really spicy. So let's give it a try.
It's good for picnics, it says, and snacks.
Yeah, it's good for picnics and snacks. So for those who did not know, this is similar to cheese whiz. Yeah. You can buy like this in a jar or like a pouch like this. So you give it a try, Mary. Kind of salty though.
You haven't had it before.
It's kind of salty.
So let's try another cheese whiz, guys. So here's the cheddar flavor. So I'll give it a try. So what's the difference between pimento and then the cheddar? Here. So let's give it a try.
But this is more cheesy than pimento. Pimento is not cheesy. This is salty and cheesy.
Yeah, both are salty naman.
But this one's
But we're gonna buy again this one because we like it.
good for us making sandwich, picnics, what do you say?
Snacks.
And picnic.
So let's try another different snacks, guys. So here we go. Let's try the onion rings. Snack with real onions. So this one is similar to the one in the US. They call it Funyuns.
Onions.
Onions. So this is my first time trying trying this one. So we give
It's multiple times.
you.
Yeah. When I was a kid, I loved buying that.
Mm.
That's like
Smells-
a rings. That's why it calls onion rings. It will
Smells-
fit on your fingers.
Smells like onion. It's
I
kinda-
like it.
it's kinda
The flavor
salty.
is not really salty.
For me, and healthy.
Tasty and crunchy at the same time.
And then you can taste the onion, the flavor. I like this one. I will buy it again. So let's try another chips this time. So this is one of my favorite also. The chippy, the barbecue flavor, guys. So there are different kinds of chippy like cheddar, hot and spicy, right? Sour and cream, and then garlic. If I'm not mistaken. So this one it's good also when you're having conversation with your friends, family, then having picnics, watching
that's
TV
right.
or movie. So you try. Very crunchy and
For
salty.
me, no flavor.
It has flavor, it's barbecue.
But not really salty, what I mean. Like normal taste. But flavor is barbecue. It's crunchy at the same time and tasty.
How about we'll try the other chippy here. Let's try the
Oh,
mild and tasty
With less
with less salt. Okay?
also barbecue.
To have a twist now. So this one is not really salty. Now, we'll try. This one I usually buy because it's less salt. You taste
Yeah,
the
not
salt?
really salty. But kind of spicy a little.
My same flavor barbecue, but this one is not salty. You like which one you like the?
I like the first one.
I like the regular one. Okay. So before we end the video, guys, we'll give you individual favorites. So here's my favorite. So I like this Pia snack because it's kind of healthy because it's vegetarian. And then I also like the chippy, the mild and tasty with less salt because it's less in salt also. And then lastly is the Nova, the cheddar flavor. So these are the one that I like. So how about you, Mary? What do you like?
What
I
I
know you
like
like
the
a
most
lot.
is fudgy bar, of course, number one. Because it's chocolate. I love chocolates. Yeah. And the second one is calm cheese. I love cheese and it's wafer. I like it. It's soft to eat and it's soft, tasty and crunchy. Yeah. And the salty snacks are also like onion rings because the flavor is like real onions. Yeah, it's kind of salty, crunchy at the same time, tasty. Lastly is the chicharron mahuan. It's also good for having beverage, yeah, picnics, having conversation with your friend. It's very sour. Yeah, it's like a cracklings kind of taste. Yeah, and crunchy at the same time. Most of salty food is kind of crunchy and also tasty. That's all my favorites.
Before we end, guys, so something we notice about the Filipino snacks they are
Mostly sweet, salty, and sour.
yeah, they are they are salty and sweet, so a combination of both. So before we end, those who like the video, guys, please leave a thumbs up, and then like, subscribe, and comment down below for the algorithm. Then Mary, what can you say before we end?
I like to say please subscribe my channel for the upcoming contents, guys. Thank you.
Okay, that's all for now, guys. So see you on my next video. Bye.
Bye.